State of Ohio versus Jaden Moore.
All right, so we're back on the record. This is case number 25576. Mr. Morford is counsel for the defendant. He's present. Mr. Heald, prosecuting attorney, is present. I see where there's been some filings for civil protection order and an evaluation by Shawnee's been ordered.
When we get done, can you make another copy of the protection order and I gave one to the judge?
So, this is the first pre-trial today. There's a cash and surety bond of $2,500. Does the state think that's a sufficient bond, or how do you want to proceed?
After we get done, can you make another copy?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
The bond, are you satisfied with the bond?
Actually, we would ask for a significantly larger bond, Your Honor, just to be sure. I also believe that Mr. Morford is going to change pleas on behalf of Mr. Moore. We'd like that taken into consideration as well.
Judge, we would object. He's not been able to make the bond that's set now, and increasing the bond is going to make it impossible for him to attempt to make bond.
Well, I wish I had a place to send him, but I don't really have a place for him to go. And with some of the facts that have been made known to the court, I am concerned for his safety and the safety of others if he's released from custody. So he hasn't been able to post bond yet, but I'm going to increase the bond just to make sure that I think he needs to stay in custody for $10,000 cash assured. Now, what about plea? Is there a change in plea?
Judge, I was provided with the same document you were, and attached to the petition for domestic violence civil protection order is a letter from Clay and Associates that sets forth several mental health diagnoses. I've also spoken with the family, and I have cause, I believe, to file a motion to test his competency to stand trial as well as NGRI, which I will do this week.
Well, we would, based on the knowledge that we have at this time, we would suggest to the court that Mr. Moore is incompetent, and so we'd ask for that to be set in the motion. We also intend, in reviewing the facts of this case, we are going to be filing an additional charge of aggravated menacing, which will raise the level of the offense a little bit. And we are waiting on an affidavit from the law enforcement officer in order to be able to file that additional charge.
Judge, I'll go ahead and enter an oral NGRI plea and follow it up with writing as required by the rules.
Okay. Probably should come back in a week then for the next hearing, the 22nd. You're here then, Mr. Morford.
I believe so, Judge. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the next hearing in this matter will be scheduled for a week from today, Monday, September 22nd. The pretrial at 10 a.m. So I understand you'll file those written pleas
Yes.
this week sometime?
Yes, Judge.
Well, and hopefully by then we'll have the evaluation of Shawnee have been done by then also, and have that information available. Anything else?
So we have, Your Honor.
Mr. Morford?
Nothing further, Judge. Thank you.
All right, next hearing will, on Mr. Moore's case, will be September 22nd at 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court's adjourned.